Africa has the world's best solar resources. It has massive hydro potential, untapped wind corridors, and the Great Rift Valley's geothermal energy. Yet 600 million Africans still lack access to electricity. Bridging that gap requires trillions of dollars in investment, and that means huge opportunities for investors. In this video, we explore Africa's renewable energy revolution and how you can profit from it. I'm your AI host, and welcome back to African Market Insider. Today we're looking at the energy transition from a unique angle, Africa's leapfrog to renewables. While much of the world is retrofitting old grids, Africa is building new ones from scratch. We'll cover 1. The key renewable energy sources across the continent. 2. Major projects and leading developers. 3. How to invest, from listed utilities to infrastructure funds. Solar. The Sahara and Namib deserts offer some of the highest solar irradiance globally. Megaprojects like Morocco's Nourouarzazate, one of the world's largest solar plants, and Egypt's Benban complex are already operational. West and East Africa are seeing rapid growth in commercial and industrial rooftop solar. Wind. The Lake Turkana wind farm in Kenya is Africa's largest. South Africa's Renewable Energy Independent Power Producer Procurement Program, REIPPPP, has attracted billions in wind investment. Hydro. The Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, GERD, is the largest hydro project in Africa. The Inga Dam in the DRC, if developed, could power half the continent. Geothermal. Kenya leads the world in geothermal development, with the Alkeria complex supplying nearly 30% of the country's electricity. Independent power producers, IPPs, companies like Scatec, Norway, ACWA Power, Saudi Arabia, and Globelec, UK, are developing utility-scale projects across the continent. Developers and EPC firms, Chinese companies like Sinohydro and TBEA are heavily involved in construction. Distributed energy, startups like Box, Mkopa, and D.Light are providing off-grid solar systems to millions of households, often through pay-as-you-go models. Financing. Development finance institutions, AFDB, World Bank, IFC, provide guarantees and long-term debt, reducing risk for private investors. Ways to invest. Publicly traded companies. Scatec is listed on the Oslo Stock Exchange. ACWA Power trades in Saudi Arabia. Some African utilities have local listings. Infrastructure funds. Funds like Denham Capital, Actis, or Meridium focus on African renewables. Green bonds. Several African governments and corporates have issued green bonds. ETFs. Global clean energy ETFs often include exposure to African projects, e.g., iShares Global Clean Energy ETF. Risks. Currency and regulatory risk. Power purchase agreements, PPAs, are often in local currency. Changes in government policy can affect tariffs. Transmission infrastructure. Even if generation is built, grid capacity can be a bottleneck. Political stability. Projects in some countries face delays due to elections or policy shifts. Renewable energy in Africa is not just an environmental imperative, it's a massive investment opportunity. With strong development finance support, falling technology costs, and growing demand, the sector is poised for exponential growth. For investors, the key is to partner with experienced developers and diversify across countries and technologies. Which renewable energy source do you think will dominate Africa's future? Solar, wind, hydro, or geothermal? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on African markets. Thanks for watching.